Hey everyone, if you are getting the not enough space, please clean up and restart the game. Error in Mobile Legends. Don't worry, I will show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your storage space. Go to settings, then find storage on your Android device and see if you have at least 5 to 10 GB of free space. If your storage is almost full, delete unnecessary files, apps, or large videos to free up space. Next, clear the Mobile Legends cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps depending on your phone model. Find Mobile Legends from the list. Tap Storage and then clear cache. This removes temporary files without affecting your game data. If the problem persists, try clearing the Mobile Legends data. This will reset the game, so make sure your account is linked to Moonton, Google Play, or Facebook before doing this to avoid losing progress. Make sure Mobile Legends is updated. Open Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends and install any available updates. If you still see the error, restart the game. Uninstall Mobile Legends, restart your phone, and then download the latest version from the Google Play Store. Finally, restart your device after cleaning up storage. Sometimes the system doesn't register the freed up space until after a reboot. And that's it. Your Mobile Legends should now work without the storage error. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mobile Legends fixes. See you in the next video.